2. Set clear goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Take control of your life by setting clear, achievable goals and defining specific timelines. Break your long-term dreams into daily tasks. When your goals are clear, each step you take will feel more meaningful. You have the power to shape your own path. Stay focused on what you want to achieve. 3. Improve your environment. How does your environment make you feel? Maybe it's time for a change. The space around you can affect your mindset and actions. If you're in a messy, disorganized space, it's hard to focus. Organize your workspace and feel the shift in your energy. When your surroundings are in order, your mind will follow. Start by tidying up and watch how your productivity improves.